There was a king with 3 daughters. One day he asked his daughters to share how much do they value him. First daughter said as much as diamonds, the second said as much as gold, and the youngest one said as much as salt. The king was angry as he was compared with salt. King asked his guards to go and leave his youngest daughter in the forest. After few days, the king went to the forest for hunting and lost his way. Roaming, he saw a small hut. The king was very hungry, and he entered the hut and asked the lady in the house for food. The lady, with her face covered, served food to the king. The king had it and immediately spit it out and got very angry as there was no salt in the food. He said, "How is it possible to eat food without salt?" The lady said, "I am your youngest daughter. You can survive without diamonds and gold, but not without salt." The king apologized and admitted to his mistake and took his daughter to the palace. Moral: some ordinary things have immense value in life.